Here we have to find orthocenter of this triangle. We are given all the three vertices 0, 0, 3, 4, and 4, 0. Right. And then what is orthocenter? Orthocenter is the meeting point of altitudes drawn from vertices to the opposite sides. Perpendiculars drawn from vertices to the opposite sides. Let us try to draw the sketch of this diagram of this triangle and then try to find out this orthocenter. Okay, so the three vertices are 0, 0, 3, 4, and 4, 0. So it will look something like this 0, 0, 3, 4, and 4, 0, ABC. Right. Now, this triangle, let us try to draw perpendiculars from C to AB and from A to BC. Okay, and we can clearly see AB is parallel to x-axis. Right, obviously the slope is 0. We can see this also. 0 minus 0 is the numerator, so the slope is 0. So obviously the perpendicular will be parallel to y-axis. And this perpendicular always has to pass through C. Right, so obviously the equation of this line L1, this first perpendicular, will become x equal to 3 because it is parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis and it's going to this point 3. Right, so any point on this line will have x coordinate as 3. Right, y could be anything. Now we have to find out equation of this line also L2. This is another perpendicular from A to BC. Okay, for that first let us find the slope of BC. Slope of BC is what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0 by 3 minus 4. 4 minus 0 by 3 minus 4, which is nothing but minus 4. And if the slope of this line is minus 4, then slope of this perpendicular should be 1 by 4 because slope of two lines which are perpendicular, product of slope of two lines should be equal to minus 1. So minus 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So slope of L2 will be slope of L2. The second perpendicular is actually 1 by 4. And this line is actually passing through this origin, right? Passing through 0, 0. So obviously the line is of the form y equal to mx. M is 1 by 4, so it should be y equal to 1 by 4x. Or otherwise also we can use the point and slope formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Right, both x1, y1 both are zeros. So it gives us y equal to x by 4 or 1 by 4x. So we have got two equations. Equation of L1 which is x equal to 3 and equation of L2 which is y equal to 4, x equal to 3 and y equal to x by 4. Right. So if you solve both the equations, there is nothing to solve. Here we just need to substitute this x here. So y becomes 3 by 4. That is this meeting point. Right. This 3 comma 3 by 4 is this point. Basically, we are solving these two equations, L1 and L2. And what is this point? This point is actually ortho center. Why? Because it is the meeting point of perpendiculars drawn from vertices to the opposite sides. If you draw a third perpendicular, this will also from B to this side, B to AC. This will also go through this like this. Right, guys? Thank you.